This is a guide on how to set up your new Atlantic Cape Connect account to access Atlantic Cape Connect. Atlantic Cape Connect is our new online portal that allows you to access important announcements, college and personal information, as well as Atlantic Cape self-service for student payments, financial aid, course registration, and more all in one place. In order to specifically access Atlantic Cape self-service, you must be able to log in through Atlantic Cape Connect. If you have not yet applied to Atlantic Cape, you must do so before accessing Atlantic Cape Connect. Before starting, ensure that you have a device with access to an internet browser and two of the following three options available to you to set up multi-factor authentication for your account. Installed Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device, email, or an active phone number for phone call or SMS text. Please note that using email as an option for multi-factor authentication does not allow you to use it when signing in. Email verification codes will only be used in the case of resetting your own password through the Forgot Password prompt on the sign-in page. To navigate to Atlantic Cape Connect at home, navigate to our college website at atlanticcape.edu. Click on Quick Links in the top right corner. Click on Atlantic Cape Connect/self-service. Scroll down and click Log in to Atlantic Cape Connect. As this will be your primary means of accessing Atlantic Cape Connect, you may want to bookmark this page for ease of access. For returning students, your login username will be your self-service username plus @student.atlanticcape.edu. Your password will be the same self-service password as before. For new students, your login information will be the username and password you have received in an email from our registrar. Please keep in mind that this username is not an email address. Your email account is still your given @buccaneer.atlantic.edu account. This username here is only for Atlantic Cape Connect. Once you log in, Atlantic Cape Connect will ask you to set up multi-factor authentication for your account using the Microsoft Authenticator app, phone, text, or call, or email. Reminder again, you're required to set up at least two of the three methods, with email not being a valid option for sign-in verification. To set up the Microsoft Authenticator app as an authentication method, you will have to install specifically the Microsoft Authenticator app. If you have not already done so, please take a moment to install it. When searching for it on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, it may not show as the first option. Ensure when looking through the results that you are installing specifically the Microsoft Authenticator app by Microsoft Corporation. Other Authenticator apps will not work with this method. Press Next on your internet browser, then click Next again. When you get to the Scan a QR code screen, hold. On your mobile device, open the Microsoft Authenticator app. Press Accept for Microsoft's privacy statement and press Continue on the Help Us Improve Microsoft Authenticator page. On your phone, tap on Scan a QR code. Allow your device to access your camera and scan the QR code. If your device asks you once again to allow for notifications, accept it as well. After scanning, you will see your account listed on the Microsoft Authenticator app. On your internet browser, click Next. You'll now be asked to enter a number displayed on your browser screen on your device. Once entering the number and confirm, you have successfully set up Microsoft Authenticator app as an authentication method for your account. This will be the same notification screen system you will receive when signing into your account afterwards. To set up email as an authentication method, click I want to set up a different method on the bottom left of the screen. Then, click the drop-down menu and choose Email. As said before, email verification will not be used during sign-in verification. However, it will be used in the chance that you forget your password and need to reset it, which can be found on the sign-in page under the password box titled Forgot My Password. Input your personal or school email and proceed with entering the verification code received in your inbox. To set up phone, text, or call as an authentication method, click I want to set up a different method on the bottom left of the screen. Then, click the drop-down menu and choose Phone. On this screen, choose your country calling code and enter your phone number. You can choose between receive a code to send a text verification code or call me, which calls you for a verification. Through either of the two, complete the verification steps and click Next. After you have completed setting up your authentication methods, you will be brought to a tutorial screen of Atlantic Cape Connect. After clicking through the tutorial, you will now be able to see and view your Atlantic Cape Connect portal. To specifically access self-service for course registration, financial aid, or student payment, you can click the self-service card to open self-service. For your convenience, there is a mobile app version of Atlantic Cape Connect that you can find both on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. These offer the same functions as the browser version to view Atlantic Cape self-service, additional college information, and all the other card tiles that you can interact with.